welcome to DNA Drives. Today I'll be showing you how to remove the taillights on a 2013 Scion FRS. Now this will be the same procedure for the BRZ as well, 2013 to 2016 model years. I'm not sure if the 17 and up models will be the same, but I can imagine that they'd be the same, if not pretty similar. But without further ado, if you enjoyed the video, if you found value in it, give it a like and consider subscribing around here if you are new to the channel. Thanks so much for watching. Here's the video. To remove the taillights is super simple. What you'll need for the job is an 8mm socket along with a ratchet and then some sort of body trim removal tool, or if you don't have that, you could try a fork, a butter knife, or even a flathead screwdriver. You'll have to remove one push pin that is holding in the trunk liner. It's really simple. It'll take you about 2 minutes. Plug and play. There's one wiring harness that you have to remove, and that's about it. Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a like and consider subscribing if you're new around here. Hey, my name is Garrett and I create content on this new 2013 FRS that I just got about a month ago. So far, I've really enjoyed owning the car, and I have a lot of videos, a lot of content, a lot of mods coming for the car, so consider subscribing if you're new around here. And then also on the channel, we have another guy, his name's Walker, and he has a 2016 Hyundai Genesis Coupe with a lot of mods planned for that car as well. And then on the channel, we also have 300 SRT content and Mustang 5.0 content. So if you like all those cars, this is the channel for you. I hope you subscribe after watching this video. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day for watching. See you in the next one. Take care.
It all started when a met another and they met another and they became the trio. The end.